2024च्या वेंचणुके पयलीं मोदी सरकाराचो निमणो अर्थसंकल्प अर्थमंत्री निर्मला सीतारामनान जाहीर केलो. विकासाचे दृश्टीन वेगवेगळ्या मळार तरेकवार घोशणा. अर्थसंकल्पाचे म्हत्वाचे निर्णय अशे. अर्थसंकल्पात सर्वसामान्य लोकां खातीर घरां खातीर तरतूद, 9 ते 14 वर्सां पिरायेच्या भुरग्यांक कॅन्सराची वाशिना. टॅक्स स्लॅबात खंय बदल ना. जांचे वर्सुकी उत्पन्न 7 लाखां सकयल आसा तांकां टॅक्स ना. फिजिकल डेफिसिट 4.5% देंवोवपाचो खंय विचार. आध्यात्मीक पर्यटनात वाड थळाव्यांक फायदो. राज्याक खंय टुरिझम लोन मेळटले. येरादारी मळारूय विकास सुरू. 40,000 रेल्वे बोगींचो वंदे भारतात बदल. विमान प्रवासांत 1.3 कोटी लोकांक व्हरपी 570 नवे रूट. ई बसींकूय खंय प्राधान्य. नुस्त्याची निर्यात खंय 2014च्या तुळेंत डबल.
Exemplary track record of governance, development and performance. Besides delivering on high growth in terms of gross domestic product, the government is equally focused on a more comprehensive GDP, that is, governance, development and performance. Our government has provided transparent, accountable, people-centric and prompt, trust-based administration with citizen first and minimum government, maximum governance approach. Average real income of the people has increased by 50%. Inflation is moderate. Strategy for Amrit Kal. Our government will adopt economic policies that foster and sustain growth, facilitate inclusive and sustainable development, improve productivity, create opportunities for all, help them enhance their capabilities, and contribute to generation of resources to power investments and fulfill aspirations. Guided by the principle, reform, perform, and transform, the government will take up next generation reforms and build consensus with the states and stakeholders for effective implementation.
मजगती फुडले पुराय बजेट खंय जुलयांत. ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडंट.